my mom's hat. She let me have it.
Alright, so where are we going, Hunter? We're out for some geocaching today. We haven't gone geocaching in a while. We've been really busy the last couple of weeks. How far away are we? 50. Oh, goodness. I went a lot further than I thought I did from it.
Not that far. We're at 40.
It's getting a little chilly. It's definitely starting to be fall weather. It's nice and warm when the sun's out, but as soon as the sun starts going down, it's cold. Alright, so it's probably by this fence somewhere.
Not yet. We're only on 20.
Yeah, well, the fence is about 20 meters away.
Show's going this way.
Is it on that side? Alright, so it's probably on this bridge somewhere, Hunter.
We're on 5 meters.
Okay, so this is... Your shoelaces aren't tied. Alright, so it's right here somewhere. So, Hunter, it says that it's like a film canister, but cut in half. Okay, have a look and see. Do you see anything? I think it's right on the end here somewhere. It might be in here. There's a little trail in here. Well, search then, Hunter. Oh, Mom found it. You guys see it? See if Hunter finds it. Alright, we're going to sign this one. Another cache. We are 11 meters away. This one, we might be kind of an FPS, Hunter.
I'm a nerd! Geek! Just like last time.
Alright, so we are 12 meters. Let's see what we can find here. It's probably down here, Hunter. Down by this tree somewhere. Let's see what size this one is. So this one is... Let's look for this, Hunter. Come get in here and look. Oh, I found it. In there, good. Right there.
I just couldn't get past this plant.
There we go. Look it. Can you open it? There's probably nothing in it, Hunter, because it's a little one. You gotta twist it.
Maybe
Don't lose everything. No, there's nothing in there. Let's see if we got the FTF. Here, you hold this.
It'll be our first FTF.
Let's see. Oh, I don't know if we are or not. We are! FTF!
Number 1 FTF.
Cool. Alright, so we're going to sign the log, and then maybe we'll do one more, because I think there's one more on this road.
Yeah! Hi guys, this is me and my mom. We're doing another geocache. This is Mom, say hi.
Hi. My fingers are pretty wood.
Okay, my mom's gonna make the rest of this video. Bye.
Hi guys. All right, so we are 10 meters away. Let's see what this one is.
Want to see my funny run?
That's a pretty funny run. Okay, so this is a micro too, Hunter.
Micro. Huge.
All right, so it's right here somewhere,
I
Hunter.
want to jump and grab it. Yeah. Ah. There's pointers on it.
You okay? That's fine.
No, I just said it's touching my hat. I found a snail.
Did you? Wait, let me get a phone.
And it's upside down.
Okay, start looking for the cache. Look in between the tree and stuff like that. Those are the best places for it. Oh!
I don't see it. I see it!
You see it?
Yeah.
Let me just grab it. There it is, there.
I see it.
Sorry, it's so dark, guys. My camera's broken and it doesn't adjust for lighting at all. I have a new one. It's coming in the mail. It's getting fixed. It should have it in a week or two. So there's the next cache.